I am Dr. F. Femi. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Holy Cross College, Nagarkoil. In this video, I am going to explain the most important concept in computer science, network switching.
Fundamentals of network switching technologies. First, the core principles of network switching. So, we know the network switching. So, there is network switching direct data between devices by establishing communication path to optimize resource use and ensure reliable transmission. So, all of you know about the network. So, network means the transfer of data between the two devices. So, different types of switchings are there. Circuit switching network, packet switching network. So what is circuit switching networks means? The circuit switching reserves a dedicated path for the entire session, guaranteeing consistent connection. Then packet switching network, that is, it divides data into packets. The data divided into pieces of data. Each pieces of data that is called the packet. That are independently routed through the network, enabling efficient sharing of network resources among multiple users. So this is the types of network. Three types of switching networks: circuit switch networks, packet switch network, message switch network. Again, the packet switch network divided into two categories. First one, datagram networks. Second one, virtual circuit networks. First, the circuit switch network. So what is circuit switch network means? The systems were connected by the wires. The circuit switch network established a dedicated communication path between the two devices for data transfer. This path remains exclusively reserved for the entire connection duration, guaranteeing consistent bandwidth and low latency. In the circuit switching network, there are three concepts are there. So first one, establish a connection, data transfer, then disconnection. The key benefits of challenges of circuit switch network. So these are the key benefits of challenges of circuit switch networks. Then next types of networks, that is a datagram networks. That means the packet switch network. In the packet switch network divided into two types. The first one is datagram network, second one virtual circuit. So first we study about the datagram network. The datagram network divided the data into independent packets that's routed separately. Here there is no dedicated path exist. Each packet may follow a different route to the destination. So this method maximizes resource utilization by dynamically selecting routes based on network connections. Routing flexibility allows adaptation to network changes and congestion. So this is the example for datagram network. In this network, the four systems were interconnected together. For example, there are four packets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 packets. So each packet can use the different path to reach the destination. So in the datagram network, each packet that can use the independent path to reach the destination. So this is the example for datagram network. Next one, virtual circuit networks. Virtual circuit switch network integrate the dedicated path reliability of circuit switching with the flexibility of packet switching by establishing virtual circuit over packet switch infrastructure. The hybrid model improves resource efficiency while delivering predictable performance. So now the virtual circuit switching networks, how it will operate. So this is the conceptual framework. Here the virtual circuits controlled packet flow switching nodes. Then circuit switch network versus datagram network. So already we know about the circuit switch network. So in the circuit switch network, we have to establish a dedicated path before the communication, the resource allocation per session, then high reliability with predictable delivery, consistency, low latency, scalability limited by fixed resource use. Datagram networks, there is no connection setup, packets routed individually. Already we studied about the example for datagram networks. Then dynamic shared resource allocation among users, best effort delivery with potential packet loss, variable latency depending on routing. So this is the differentiate between the circuit switch network and datagram network. So next we study about the virtual circuit network. In the virtual circuit network, each and every packet can use the same path to reach the destination. So the only difference between the datagram network and virtual circuit network is in the datagram network, all the packets can use the different path. So individually, they can use their own path to reach the destination. But the virtual circuit network, all the packets can use the same path to reach the destination. This is the difference between datagram network and virtual circuit network. So next, evaluating virtual circuit network, then circuit switch network and datagram network. In the virtual circuit network, high efficiency through logical resource sharing, moderate flexibility with dynamic virtual circuit used in MPLS, ATM, QoS sensitive applications. When we go to the circuit switch network, is a low efficiency due to dedicated resource reservation, low flexibility with fixed dedicated path, common in traditional telephony and real-time voice. When we move to the datagram network, is a high efficiency via dynamic resource sharing, high flexibility with adaptable routing, widely used for internet, data transfer and general networking. So these are the differentiate between these three types of networks. Then virtual circuit switching network in practice. So these are the virtual circuit switching networks in practice. So it may be used in the MPLS, then ATM, then packet and circuit switching to optimize resource use and maintain predictable connections. Next, comparing performance across then switching types. Already we know there are three types of switching networks: circuit switch, datagram, virtual circuit. So under the metric, so how we can differ these three types of networks? Under the latency, the circuit switch is a low consistent, datagram variable sometimes high, virtual circuit switch network low to moderate control. Then compared to throughput based, then fixed dedicated bandwidth in the circuit switch network, datagram is a variable efficient. Then under the virtual circuit network, optimized balanced. Under the reliability, high guaranteed in the circuit switch network. In the datagram, best effort variable. In the virtual circuit network, high with the virtual circuit control. Again, under the characteristics connection setup, in the circuit switch network, we have to establish a dedicated path with the help of the wires. Then the datagram network, none. So routing decided per packet. Then virtual circuit network, logical virtual circuit established. When under the characteristic resource allocation, in the circuit switch, fixed and exclusive, datagram dynamic and shared. Then virtual circuit network, logical reservation of resources. Then two more characteristics, performance and use cases. So these are the differences between these three types of networks. Thank you for your kind attention and hope you have a great career ahead. Thank you.